Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a precipitation weather widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. Next, tap on Customize. Then tap on Add Widgets, or just the widget panel at the bottom here. From the pop-up, you want to go down to the bottom and then tap on Weather. Now in here, swipe across until you see it say Precipitation. So with this widget, you can see rain, snow, sleet, or hail forecasted for your location. So tap on that and it will get added to your widget panel, or you can drag it into the widget panels. And then tap on the close button, tap on the close button again to close the Add Widgets screen. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on Done at the top here to close it and swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now press on the side button to go to the lock screen, and here the forecasted weather from my location is 0% chance of any rain for today. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.